I'm on site with this machine. The customer requested we come back. So this machine was worked on in our shop, and we replaced this controller because it was not allowing the vac shoes to come up. So right now we got the vac shoes up in the air like they're supposed to be, but right now when I turn it on, I'm actually going to try to go into service test mode. So I'm going to have to put you right here momentarily. I tried to go into service test mode and it won't go. So right now it's stuck. It's got 33 hours on it right now. I can't get the horn to work. I can't get it to go operational either way. So something has froze up, and it's hard to say how it happened, why it happened, but there are 33 hours on this machine since it was returned back in February. So the one thing I do want to get into is the service test mode, and I'm unable to at this time. So what I'm going to do is open up this controller. I'm going to turn it upside down and take a look and see if anything is damaged. But right now I'm turning it off, and oh, lo and behold, it does turn off. So it's rebooting itself, but none of the controls seem to want to work. So hopefully it's a quick fix. If not, what I'm going to do is try to run this motor up and down. Now at this point, once I see this problem, it's hard to say whether it is going to be the squeegee. No, I'm sorry, not the squeegee, but the vac shoe motor to lift up and down. Here's the inside of the controller, and there's 3 connectors plus this hose, and then you've got your ignition switch. So far, I don't see anything out of the ordinary. But then again, if there is a fault, sometimes you can, other times you may not be able to see any defects or any problems with these chips in here. This is the brain. These are the connectors. I don't see anything hot, and I was suspecting an issue with the squeegee lift. Why I keep calling squeegee, the vac shoe lift actuator. So we're gonna plug everything back in and see what happens. I think unfortunately there's a 30-day warranty on parts, and I don't know how that Sandy can handle that, but we'll do our best to see how we can handle it. And now another thing I am noticing, that we did suggest that the users do remove the vac shoes to check for debris, remove the debris tray, remove the multi-surface brush, and also remove the large main brush, front brush, to allow everything to dry. That's what we show in our demonstrations, and Advanced supports that, even though they don't say it in the manual, but we found that to be very helpful to extend the life of this part of the machine, at least. Now I'm connected to the wiring, and I'm running power from the battery directly, so I don't have to deal with the controller. So I'm going to run this up and down. So we're seeing minimal initial high spike of current, which is not too terribly bad. This is what the controller sees going up and down. there may be very, very small variation in, difference when the machine's running, but just to show you the motors, I gotta check these readings in the service manual if they do have any available. So I lubed up the shaft in there. I didn't think I had to previously on the early repair. I'm going to show the deck now. Now this is the deck, and it's very hard to see initially. I think it goes up to about 2.8. So basically this is what I'm doing. Dropping it. And raising it.